Hey guys, welcome back to the Quiet Wild. Be doing a little bit of creek fishing today. Going to one of my favorite spots to catch brook trout. Brought the 12 gauge with me just in case I see a bird along the way. But yeah, should be a good day. Well, this is it, guys. Just need to get across to the other side. There's a nice little pool over there that I'd like to fish. Trying to find the best way to get around. Everything's really slippery. Best spot might be up there. Even over here seems a little sketchy. They don't make it easy to get across here. Oh, I made it. Oh, that was a lot harder than I expected. Took a few wipeouts, got my feet wet, but I'm here, so let's do some fishing. Start off with a MEP spinner, and if we can't get any success with that, I'll probably switch over to a bobber. Tip that with a little piece of worm. Let's see what happens. Look at that. He's not a big guy. Whoa, came off. Right on, they're in here. Oh, landed a little guy. See if we can keep him on to show you here. I don't want to handle him too much. Nice looking fish. Send him back on his way. I've seen bigger ones come out of here, so let's hope there's a couple hiding out in that current. I'd be happy to get into a few more of those small ones too. Oh, he's even smaller than the other one. Oh, he came right off right there. See if I can hold him up quickly. He wants to go. But that's a nice little creek brookie, and there he goes. Well, I'm gonna switch to a bobber. Spinner wasn't getting it done. So I'll probably only go about, I don't know, 8 inches from the hook. Have my bobber right there. Throw a little night crawler on the end. Well, let's try downstream a bit. If I can get down there without killing myself. Seems to be a nice little pool right here. Well, there's fish in there. I just got a hit. Go back and get my worms without breaking my neck. Everything is so slippery. It's like there's a layer of ice on it. So I got a hit in that little pool. Let's hope I can get him to come back and eat this. Okay, they're pretty small, so they're not really staying on the hook. He might be hooked. Oh, get in here, man. That's a nice little brookie. I want to get one a little bit bigger than that so I can have a little snack up here. Oh, he's nice, man. I want to get him, and his colors are nice. Look at that. I think I'm going to eat that guy. Beautiful fish. I think he's going to be a lunch fish. See if we can get one more for lunch, and then we'll go get a fire going. That's another okay size one. Nice colors on him too. Look at that. Yeah, I think we'll cook him up too. So yeah, we just take our sapling, sharpen up the ends a bit. Take a trout, just cut up along the stomach. Try not to go in too deep. You don't want to puncture the guts in there. Right up to the top of the head. And you should be able to just pull out the guts. All you gotta do after that is take your stick, beat it up through the head. You wanna keep the head on there because it's gonna allow that trout to stay on the stick. So we got those brookies cooking over the fire right now. Shouldn't be too long. It's gonna be a nice snack. Okay, I think we'll call that done. You can see the meat's nice and white. Looks delicious. That's good stuff, guys. Well, I just finished up those 2 brook trout. They were cooked very nicely. Nothing better than freshly caught out of a creek brook trout. I actually came up here a few years back with Chris, and we did some metal detecting all along the banks of this creek. We actually ended up finding pretty cool things along the side. We're definitely planning on coming back out here in the summer, do some metal detecting around this area, do a little bit more brook trout fishing. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. I'm gonna head on out of here, and we'll catch you on the next one. There's a grouse right there. Got him. Cool. Just as I'm crossing the river there, I see a grouse on the other side. I'm pretty sure I got him. Sure did. Just passing the creek on my way home, and I seen a grouse on the other side. That's a bonus.